unboxing. Santa brought me a bag that once upon a time I didn't like, but apparently Santa realized that my taste had changed. And thank you to Instagram and to the other people who own this bag. I actually love it. And when I saw it today, that was it. That was it. It was like getting a new puppy or something. It was just, it cinched the deal. There's somebody on Instagram who has it and really, really loves it. And I think they showed it in two colors, two totally different colors. And I said, it's, you know that moment when the bag starts really creeping into your heart. And it's like, I think I want to try this. It's different. And I just got more and more curious about it. Not that it was super popular, but every time I would see it, it would just grow on me a little bit more. You know how that goes? And I decided, let me just look at some photos a little harder. So I was in a photo album for Chanel. And so I got to see lots of different colors and, different lighting than the website and everything. So I will make this quick and painless. Here she is. So this is the Chanel 19 large flat bag in dark red. Gold hardware. That's what I got, and I am absolutely in love. It has a type of really cool mixed metal type chain. You see how the color changes there? Silver to gold. There is a leather strap here with silver right there, and then silver and then back to gold, whereas this side is primarily gold. I love that. This handle right here is in gold, and of course the double C's are in gold, and I love it. It feels so good. Just holding it feels so good. And this is the large size, so I'll show you the interior. There we go. So this will fit my goodies, my sunnies, my wallet, and all that good stuff. Mini pochette or Chanel O case. And there is a zipper pocket inside, but I will get more into all of that and how it works for me and what I can fit in there in another video. But this I had to show you guys because obviously it's going to be on my Instagram. Yeah. I didn't like it. It was not love at first sight. It wasn't. But thanks to the power of the internet and seeing, I follow a few people who own it, and just seeing how much fun they were having and how stylish the bag looked when they would wear it. I was like, I think I can do this. I think I could do this with tennis shoes. I think I can do this, with loafers or high heel boots. I think I can do it with anything. And that's one of my things for bags, is that I can do multiple things with it in multiple styles, multiple occasions. That's just the bang for my buck part of it. And this 2020 has been my leather year. So I am really happy to add this to my collection. And I will follow up in a video with you guys and let you know how it's going and all that good stuff. But I hope Santa was good to you guys as well. I have a few more unboxings to do from the visit, and I will get to those soon. But this one had to go up because I'm starting to use this bad boy tomorrow. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and that you hit the notification so that you know when I post something new. And I will see you guys on Instagram _cosmo.life, or I will see you here at my YouTube channel. So talk to you soon. Bye-bye.